Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the 11th grade excellent class in electrical engineering. Would like to tell you how to use electric control panel. Let's check it out.
Tools that you have to prepare: glove, safety helmet, safety vest, safety shoes, electric motor, electrical panel has been installed forward reverse circuit.
There are two steps on the how to use this control panel. First, turn on 1 and 3 phase MCB. Next, press the SQ button to turn on the motors in clockwise rotation.
And then press S1 to turn off the motor. After that, if you want to turn on the motor in counterclockwise, you can press S3. And finally, if there is a delayed situation, you can turn on the emergency switch. And then whole panel and motor will turn off.
Okay, so here's are the tips. First, don't touch anything when your hand is wet because you might get electrocuted. Second one, please keep this panel away from children. These are not for children to play with. And the third one is please turn off the MCBs when you are done using it. And if you don't understand the English or what we said, there are the manuals down here. You can check it out. That's all from us. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.